Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. Blue is right here. You might see a little bit of his fur sticking up. He's right here. Okay. I got some wonderful things from Macy's. Macy's beauty department is phenomenal, and they have sales. They make packages of beautiful boxes of things, and then they have sales. So I got 3. I got the Pout About It. Is that what it's called? Yeah, Pout About It set. The Iconic Mascara set, and the Doing the Most set. And we're going to look at the Pout About It set today. This sells for $30 on Macy's. I got it for $15 because I had a sale. And when they had the sale, I did share it on my community tab and on my Instagram. So these kinds of things come around. They have different packages from time to time, and then they go on sale. And they go, a lot of times they go on half price sale, which is what this did. So let's check it out. There's what she looks like. There are 6 items in here, and one of them is full size. So let me open it up and I'll be right back. I was gonna tell you what I'm wearing first. Here on my eyes, I have Ace Beauté, the Paradise Fallen palette. Gorgeous palette. I've had this a long time. I really love it. Here comes Smudge. It's very, very beautiful. There's not a lot of room up here. I can't have you both up here. So someone's gonna have to move on or whatever. And on my lips, I have this is the M7, which is the MACY'S 7 Smudge. Sorry about that, y'all. It's the Beauty Evolution All Over Color. And this is an Etruscan. Is that the name of it? Yeah, Etruscan. Etruscan, it's a weird name, but that's what the color name is. This you can use on everywhere. You can use it on your face anywhere. And it's creamy, and it feels really good. And I got this, I'm almost positive I got this in my lucky bag. So I think a few of us got this in different colors. So if you saw any of the lucky bags. Sorry about that. All right, they're moving on, so maybe they'll move on. So the Pout About It set, $30 it says, and it's a value of $78. And it's a created for Macy's, is what it says down here, created for Macy's. So I did cut it open. So let's see what she looks like. Okay, there's some tissue in there, and then it's all in there like this. So we'll get it out and see what she's all about. You know, y'all, I love lip stuff. Okay, and then there's the other end has more tissue in it. So I got everything out. I'm a lip crazy person, and they're sample sizes, except one is full size in this package. So y'all, this is one of my favorite things ever. This is from Clinique, and this is the balm. I forget what it's called, so let me see. Oh, it'll say it says everything, so you know everything's on the back too. So easier to read than trying to read the bottom of this. This is the Almost lipstick in Black Honey. Anybody can wear this. I got this originally as a sample, and it was maybe about this size. And I have a full size of this. So, but this is what it looks like. It looks very, very dark, but when you put it on, it's a balm. So it really goes with most every skin tone. It's very beautiful. It really moisturizes your lips. It feels really good. It is a balm. That's from Clinique. Fabulous stuff. I love it. And then we have from Clarins a lip comfort oil, and this is in Pitaya. So this is it. Look at that pretty packaging. Clarins Paris 04 lip comfort oil with sweetbriar rose oil. So let's open this package and look at it. I'm looking to see, okay. What am I looking to see? I'm looking to see, it doesn't say that it's a plumping. So some of them are plumping. And y'all, I think I have this as well, because I get these kits from time to time. So this is, it's gonna be clear. It looks pink, but it's gonna be clear. So this is the Clinique. I went and got my bag of what I carry with me all the time. This is the Clarins Black Honey. This is the full size. So let me show you what that looks like, so I don't disturb the sample. This is what it looks like, and it really looks good on everybody. And you can make it a little bit thicker if you need to, but it's just a beautiful color, and it's very moisturizing. It feels fabulous on my lips. And then on the clearance, this is the clearance that I just got, and this is the one that I have. So they are very similar, but this is clear, and this has a red tint. Yeah, here, I'll show you that. So, but it's a gloss. It goes on very light. So that has a red tint to it. And then this one, even though it's got that little light pink to it, you can see it's clear. It's gonna just go on clear. So you can put it over something else. And then we have a lippy from Kylie, which I don't think I've ever had any lippies from Kylie brand. This is in, it says 808. Kylie Jenner matte liquid lipstick. I don't think I've had anything from her. So this is pretty. And that's a pretty color. I think it matches, it's similar to what I have on. So let's check it out. It's a doe foot, and there it is. Oh yeah, that's a full coverage. That's a matte lip. That's beautiful because that just, it's got a little sheen to it, but it's, look at all that full coverage. All I did was one swipe, pretty much. That's beautiful. I've never had anything from her. I'm really not all that interested in it, in her, you know, giving them more millions. So I don't really ever buy anything from them. But if it came in a box or something, I would always try it. And then we have something from Lancome, and this is in a bag. I did pull the seal on it. Let me see if there's anything else I need to tell you about. No, Kylie Cosmetics, and just from the back of the box. Okay, so this is Lancome, and this is the Lip Idol, which I love their stuff. This is the Butter Glow Hydrating Lip Balm. It says 30 Lisa's Coral Glow. So look at how gorgeous this is, y'all. It's gold, and then the top is clear. So you can see that it's clear, but it has a gold stripe all the way around it. Isn't that beautiful? And then, oh, this is beautiful. Gorgeous. Oh, this is gorgeous. I love this color. I love this color. This to me is a wonderful neutral, you know, like a plum, maybe not plum, but very beautiful. I love that. It does, it's very, I think this mauve, it's a mauve. It looks beautiful on everybody. This is gorgeous. This little component is just gorgeous. You got to fit it on just right for it to close. There you go. Beautiful, beautiful. Love that. And then we have the full-size item. We have one full-size item in here, and it is Kopari. And it's the Lip Love Moisture Balm in Soft Vanilla. And y'all, I know I have a Kopari. It might be at my bedside because I can't find it in here. I thought it was going to be in my bag, but I can't find it. And maybe I don't have it because maybe I've used it a lot and I might not have it anymore. I'm not sure. But Kopari is, I think most everything they make has some coconut in it. It's Hydrate and Nourish, it says. And this is a $26 value, and I paid $15 for this whole kit. So it's 15 grams. This is gonna have a contour. You know, you'll squeeze it out and then it's contoured so you can put it right on your lips. It smells delicious. It's very sweet. So this is not gonna have any color. This is just gonna be plain. So this is great for your bedside. You know, put on before you go to bed, or, you know, when you're doing your skincare or something. Great, beautiful, smells great. And so pretty the way the name Kopari is on the packaging. Love that. And then last but not least is Prada. This is the Prada Balm. And this is Banana Yellow Prada Balm. So this looks also like it's gonna go on clear. Let's take a look at it. And it's a beautiful component, of course. Look at how pretty that is, y'all. And when you open it, says Prada all the way around here, Prada. And then, yeah, it's yellow. Isn't that pretty? It smells a little sweet. I could be making that up. Something smells sweet. I think it might be the Clarins that has a sugary smell to it. But this is just going to go on plain, I'm sure. We'll put it down here. Yeah. So you just nice, great for if you're out in the sun or something, I think. Maybe, I think it might be a little sweet. So, but that's what I got. The gorgeous little Prada. I love having little fancy things like this, y'all, because this is all I can afford. This is the Lancome, the gorgeous Lancome. And then we have the full-size Kapari and the little Kylie, which is really pretty. And that has dried down now. It has dried down completely there. So that'll stay on. This is will stay on. And then the Clarins, the clear Clarins, and the Black Honey. Is that everything? That's 6 things, right? Yes. So that's what we got in this fabulous box. So I'll show you another box on another day. So y'all, what I do with Macy's is I just check it every so often. I get emails from them with their sales and things like that. You know, and of course it's a big store. They have it's a department store, so they have all kinds of stuff. So they'll send emails about everything. Sometimes just on my own, I'll just look at the beauty area and the things will be half price. I never pay full price, but this is worth $30 because you're getting the $26 Kapari, and then the rest is sure, you know, there's 4 other items in there. 5 other, there's 5 other items in there and only $4 extra. So definitely worth the price. So, and I don't know, I'm thinking if you went in the store, I don't have a Macy's by me, but if you went in, they probably have these in the beauty area for you to just grab. So y'all take care and count your blessings. Thanks for stopping by.